Good afternoon, welcome back to Expatcrib. My name is Ian, and today, no million dollar penthouse. I just want to show our viewers that not everything that we advertise is super expensive. This unit is just finished. They actually just finished it today. Still mopping up. And this is going to be a very short video because this is only a 2-bedroom apartment, brand new in the town of El Retiro. And I will post the price right here, right now. Super affordable. This is 35 minutes from the city of Medellin. For those looking for, they're just putting in the shower door. So they're not quite done, but it'll be done by the end of the day. But the killer thing about this apartment is it is under $400 on a 6-month to 1-year lease. Okay? And it's an expat-friendly lease. There are a few other apartments like this here. Again, you've got your living room, 2 bedrooms, and a little laundry area. But again, for the price of $370, sub $400, I think it's $390. You can't go too far wrong. There are a few others here, a little bit above that price, but everything here is under $500. So if you're coming to Medellin and you want to live in the peaceful little town of Retiro, 35 minutes just outside of the city, up in the hills, super safe. I'll show some of the town at the end of this video. Again, like I said, this is going to be a super short video compared to what we usually show, but I just wanted to show people that it's not only fat wallets that we cater to. We want people to find their happy place abroad. And again, this one here is under $400,000. It is under $400. Okay, on a 6-month to 1-year lease. And you've got a little balcony right there. All right, this is Ian from Expatcrib, and we'll see you in the next video.